What is great, chat, bro? Lost $10 today, bro. Today was a interesting day, bro. And are you watching me? Why are you listening to me? Why? You don't listen to me ever. But anyway,
It didn't come in yet. My bad. Go on.
I said that. All right. Anyway, yeah, Price is doing exactly what I didn't want it to do, so I lost $10. I basically could have ended right here for this little short retracement. My bias was go long because on the weekly we're in the uptrend. On the daily we're in the uptrend after I marked this daily order block. But yeah, price was reacting out this order block right here and then continue upwards. I don't know why I marked this one, but it seems like price is gonna probably come down and react to this one too. But this, I was hoping this was just a retracement on the daily, because on the 4 hourly, we are still in the uptrend. It hasn't. Oh no, we're in the downtrend. Never mind. Yeah, because price broke structure right here. I just love no price broke structure here. But with that being said, check that hourly. I marked all of these 4 hour mark this 4 hour for fair value gap, and then price was leading like towards this. I was hoping price would like come down here, touch this, and then you know what I'm saying, take up all these highs. But that wasn't the case. Price actually does not come that down that far, or maybe just not yet. So when price was coming down, like I didn't enter here because you know what I'm saying, it wasn't a breaking structure on the 5 minute. It was just downtrend. Then it was a break structure here, but you know what I'm saying, price was kind of like consolidating a little bit. So yeah, price was consolidating here, and it was at 950. I traded at 950. So when market opened, price was literally on the short retrace uptrend, and drops down when market opens, and then starts consolidating here. My bad, not here, right here. Price starts consolidating right here, and I was wondering if I could enter off a 1 minute breaker structure, but this literally proves why not to, because as you can see where I drew all the breaker structures, like I would have entered and then be stopped out. Like right here, right here, right here. Like we're literally consolidating here until we broke structure to the upside here. Um and then so completely disregard the 1 minute at that point, and then we're waiting for a breaking structure on the upside on the 5 minute, in which he did right here. But the only reason I didn't enter because of this fair. Bro, it was a fair value gap that, yeah, right here. Uh, yeah, this fair value gap right here. So I was only hoping that price was like gonna like inverse it, break through it. So once bro, no, this can't be the fair value gap that I was looking at, bro. Yeah, it was this one on the 1 minute. No, it wasn't. Is it right? But no, yeah. So I'm assuming. How did I forget, bro? Mark this fair value gap right here, and then I guess I was watching the 1 minute. Price was coming up. It looked like it was on the trend to break structure. I mean, well, it broke structure. It was up on the uptrend for it to inverse this fair value gap right here, and then as soon as I enter, as you can see, price immediately drops. So I guess whole time price was just only filling orders. I probably should have been way more patient and wait to price come up here before I did anything. And plus, it was 11 o'clock. I was way past my time. You know what I'm saying? My trading plan time. So, yeah. This trade could have been preventable if I was just a little bit more patient and or just stop trading with outside of the time frame. Because every time the only reason I trade outside my time frame because you know what I'm saying, I feel like price will move the way I want it to move, like later, and like it won't take like it takes time for price to move. So like somewhere back here, like price open, but as soon as when I get out, like yeah, right here, price opens at 9. Market opens at 9:50, and but I couldn't enter here because it was yesterday. I couldn't enter here because I couldn't find the entry. But as you see, there's many entries on the 1 minute. But after the price just kept going up to and took up, you know what I'm saying, these past highs somewhere back here. Yeah. But back to today, price might actually hit equilibrium here and shoot back up. I'm not gonna take a trade, you know what I'm saying? It's about to be 12 o'clock now. But if price does do what I say, then you know what I'm saying, we learned something. We understand that price actually is drawing towards equilibrium and to be more patient next time. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're all learning things. But hey. Then I don't know, like price my bias was go long, but then I don't know like I was also thinking like why would price want to continue going long after going long last week? Or no, this is yesterday. We went long yesterday and continued long till like 6 a.m. Like taking up all these previous highs. So I don't know if I should have took note of that. I just seen like when the daily and weekly was in the uptrend. I also heard someone say that reversal starts on these smaller time frames. So I don't know if I should have been paying attention to that and then took note of that. But if you look on the daily and weekly, we're in the uptrend. But now just looking at it as like a retrace on the weekly and daily. But there wasn't no news today. When I checked. Well, not for what I was trading for. I was trading the GBP, JPY. So I wasn't really studying the US market. But yeah, chat lost 10, but you know what I'm saying, we're still learning. That's all that matters. I do want to know if price is actually going to come up or shoot past this equilibrium because we already came up yesterday. I don't know if we're going to continue furthermore up tomorrow. Like, I don't know. Like, or maybe, I don't know, man. We came up here, but we've been long, like, we've been short all of last week. So, why wouldn't we go long? But hey, man, same man. You know what I'm saying? We live in the learning. I just want to be able to understand the market. So, yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed. You know what I'm saying? Y'all have a good, blessed day. Today's my little brother's birthday. He's turning 5. And, yeah. Y'all wish bro happy birthday and wish y'all have a good day. You know what I'm saying? Peace.